that simple.
Fuck you too.
You saying I ain't shit, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
You take me as a bitch, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck with you. If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck with you. Pussy boy, every time you around you, boy, you bitch, you suck, you fucking up. What's your purpose for? A nigga head to the fucking morgue. I'm sorry, bro, you just a wasting. I'm just tryna be honest, dog. Keep my demons off my chest and shit on y'all, man. Every look good on y'all. Add a little bit of jealousy and that'll top you off. Say what you wanna say. Fuck it, we gon' party anyway. We'll be on our way. When we leave, let the maids clean up the place. Bounce after this shit. I let it stay, but we'll plan another day. Can't do the shit like me. That's the day y'all dudes will never say. Smoking all the time. You best believe it. And all my girls are dimes. You gotta see it. This free store shit, I really mean it. We party all the time. You know my team is. You never held me down. But that's simple.
Fuck you too.
You saying I ain't shit, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
You take me as a bitch, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
If you don't fuck with me, then I don't fuck with you. Goes ego. Talk about the past to the future, nigga, they ego. No, please no. Why you gotta take shit so personal? What are you slow? Man, get the fuck out my face, go and get yourself though. You niggas is toast. The best thing that you ever be is a goddamn host. I'm sorry, baby, I'm the shit I didn't mean to be. That's how supposed to live. I'm going around the world to eat amazing things. Fuck you, I'm a pig. Bringing family in, I swear, but fuck you, girl, before I make it all permanent. Leave this place and take my ass to space to blaze. Prehistoric, bitch. You never held me down, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
You saying I ain't shit, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
You take me as a bitch, but that's simple.
Fuck you too.
If you don't fuck with me, then I don't